Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Thing. So this is our new project, automatic seed sowing robot. So let's see the hardware components of the project. So in this project, we are using a 12 volt power supply. So this is an voltage regulatory circuitry. So this is our main microcontroller board is a Arduino Nano. So this is a liquid crystal display. So these are the motor driver ICs. So this is a seed sowing container. So this is a seed sowing mechanism. So as you can see here, we are using two motors for the controlling our robot. So like this system, we are using the hardware. So let's turn on the power supply. So as you can see here, right now the display is showing the welcome message. So after all connecting the mobile, you can control this robot using the mobile. So let's see the working video of the project. Right now we have connected this robot with Android app. So we can control this robot using command. So let's give the forward command. So as you can see here, right now we have given the forward command. So now let's give the seed sowing command. So as you can see here, we have given the seed sowing command. So whenever the robot is moving, automatically in that direction the seeds are dropping. So like this system, the project working video is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.